video game is amazing, and you guys do such a good job. That made me look very, very classy.
Oh, it's great. You know what? I enjoy being back in the game, and it's something that my kids are big into playing the games now, so they get to see Daddy. I mean, they had the old games, and they were excited about playing that one, but the new one, it kind of brings it a little bit more personal for them.
Oh gosh, I had been in the game before, so it's cool to be back in the game and to see how different the game is now and how much more realistic it is. Because you go back and you play the old games and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe how much it's changed. So it's exciting. And now having a daughter and her being able to play that in a couple of years is really cool.
What do you think, Mike? It's kind of emotional for me, you know, like when you grow up, because it's my first time being in a video game ever, and you always tell your friends and like you tell your mom and dad like I'm gonna work for WWE, and then I'm gonna be in a video game, and they all give you the sure you are, and then like when you finally see it, like WWE's so crazy, you're always so busy, but there's always those moments that just like they hit you right in the heart. And that's one of them, because you can go home and you can be like, look at your best friend from high school and be like, hey, Eli, I'm in a video game. What have you done?
And shouting out Eli again.
Eli, I love you. But like, it's really cool. And it's just a cool moment. And like she said, you have something that your daughter can look at and just be like, wow, at one point my parents were cool. They were in a video game. So it's such a cool moment.
This was your first year in the game. What was that experience like?
Let me tell you a very honest experience I had. My wife sent me a photo of her playing the game, and it's Ali. I was like, oh, she's playing the video game with my daughter, but it's Ali versus Finn Balor. And then she decides to send a video of Finn Balor just beating Mustafa Ali from pillar to post and through a table and all this stuff, and I hear her laughing hysterically. So thank you, 2K19, for providing such a healthy moment between. No, it's awesome, obviously. Yeah, to see yourself on a video game, you know, is something that all of us, watching the sport, kind of dreamed about. You know, like video games are a big part of me growing up, and now I can see myself on a video game. And it's also kind of cool for kids that have a background or a funny name like mine, or they're from an area where they feel like who they are gets defined. They get to see the name Mustafa Ali. They get to see a person like them get portrayed in a video game in a positive way. You know, so that's really cool.
I noticed on social that you were been posting about it a decent amount, like playing your character, having fun with like big head mode and things like that. So this is the first year I've been in a video game that I didn't have to have a fan make it for me, or I've made it. So it's a huge honor. I'm a video gamer. I've been playing games since I was born, all the way back to like NES. And I have a lot of fans who like to dress me up in inappropriate clothing, like masks and hats and funny outfits and stuff. So I just like to remind them not to do that and to appreciate, the trunks and the boots that I come with. Also, no high flying, right? Absolutely not. No. I'm pretty sure they've banned diving on my character in the game. There's like when you hit the button, you can't do that for me. Yeah. Totally forbidden. That was something that I went into the contract signing when we talked about the game. Yeah.